Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to change the shipping address on Amazon. Here's how to change the shipping address on Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and visit Amazon.com. And once you do that, log in. Sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Now, once logged in, hover over the account and list menu at the top right corner of the page. Now, in this drop down, you have a couple of options, including account, others, keep shopping for, recommendations, browsing history, all the way down to sign up. Now, go ahead and select account. Once you click on account, it takes you to the account window where I'm definitely going to show you what to click on. Now, over here, you have a couple of categories: your others, login and security, prime, your addresses, your business accounts, gift cards, your payments, your Amazon family, and a lot more. Now, go ahead and click on your addresses, and that opens you up to the address window. On your addresses page, you can either add a new address by clicking on the add address button, or you can edit an existing address by clicking on the edit button under or next to the address you want to update. So for a new address, click on that and enter your details, including your name, your street address, city, state and province, and postal code, and your phone number. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on add address. If you want to add delivery instructions, that's okay. If you want to make this your default address, go ahead and click on the small checkbox that is in there. And I'm going all the way back to edit. So if you want to edit an address, go ahead and click on the edit button, and you're going to be provided the form again. So go ahead and make the necessary edits, all right, and modify the required fields as needed, and click on save changes. So once you have updated or added the shipping address, click on whatever thing you find to confirm. And now, if you want the new or updated address to be your default, I showed you how to do that. So just check the make a default checkbox that is right next to it, and that's it. Your shipping address is now updated and ready to use for your future orders on Amazon. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.